Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to find a laptop model name in Windows 11 PC using Setting app. If you have purchased a new or you have a old laptop and you want to know the model number of your laptop, you can use Windows 11 built-in method, that is Settings app. For that, click on this one, a start button, and here search type settings or just click on this one settings icon. Once settings app appears on your screen, you will find at the top of the home category, just you will notice here like this, you will see here your laptop model number. If you can't find it here, just navigate to the system category here, then scroll down to the right side and select here about tab. At the top, you will find your laptop model number here. That's all about this video. If you are new to our channel Gear Up Windows, kindly subscribe it. And if you love this video, press thumbs up. Bye bye.